cabinet number 2, piece 1 cut. Let's go check the fit. All right, it's close. We are not right on that curve. And the lesson that I learned was I need a 1/4 inch along here, so this is not a fit there. Looks pretty close down there. I can see we are hitting back here a bit. I have to admit that this board that I'm cutting has just become a mess. The template didn't fit and it's not fitting the way I want, but just getting that line right is difficult. Look at how wonky that back wall is. Thank goodness this is all gonna be, hidden away. Okay, this is ridiculous. The board is starting to splinter now. Look at all these small shavings that I've been trying to trim off here. This one has been a bear. I don't usually spend that much time getting a cut right, but I've hit this one like 4 times now and it's not where I want it. Some of my closest friends might say that I'm type A, and I will admit to being particular about certain things, but I also try to keep reminding myself that this is just a van. Trying to find some middle ground between wanting to have it perfect and, having it look nice. Somewhere in between there. Is it just a van or, does it look good? What's that middle ground? Not easy. Oh my God, finally. Look at this hack job. I mean, this was ridiculous, but I don't care about this infrastructure. It's not going to show. What I care about is this edge here. Sorry, let me get out here, get a different angle. This edge here, because what I want is, I want that to be flush. And my God, is that still not flush? Finally! I have made probably 7 cuts on this board, but this is what a girl's after. I want that board to sit back so that when I put my facing on, it's flush. Is that too much to ask? It's just barely there, but that's what I'm after. I'm gonna just put this here for a second, see if you can see. Yeah. Boy, that's close. Even now, it's like, where are you hitting? I could still take off like some small smidgen. You are killing me. You're killing me. Emily, what did you do today? Well, I cut 1 board for the van build. That's all I did. 1 board. I can actually see through here. I don't see where it's hitting. I just, like I said, I don't care about the infrastructure behind the scenes, but I would like the part that's finished to look good. So yeah, I'm type A. Cut here. Cut from here to here. No, cut here. Cut here. Cut right here. Cut here. Oh, get this spot. Cut here. Cut here. What a total mess. But does it look good from the front? Yes. Crazy laughter.